If you have someone who is unconscious but still breathing, the recovery position, it's a very safe position for someone to go into whilst we wait for help to arrive. Before putting someone in the recovery position, I would ensure that any rings, glasses, bracelets were taken off just to ensure that there's no pressure on those areas. I'm going to place Tamara's arm at a right angle towards myself. Then the arm opposite, I'm going to lift this arm up and put the back of Tamara's hand against her cheek and support it there. Then from the leg furthest away from me, I'm going to lift that into bent and upright position, okay? I'm going to guide Tamara over towards myself. Following this then, I'm going to pop the leg out just for some further support. And then I'm going to check that Tamara's airway is at a natural position so that they can breathe easier. So the next steps following this would be to safely monitor Tamara and to wait for help to arrive.